Accra SkyTrain is a planned fully automated, elevated light railway metro network for Accra, Greater Accra, Ghana. The proposed network will have 5 routes, 4 of which are radial routes that originate at a new terminal at the Kwame Nkrumah interchange, and another route that loops around the city. The total track length across all routes is 194 kilometers. The announced system will use the Aeromovel technology and will have the capacity to carry over 10,000 passengers per hour per direction on each road. In 2018, the government of Ghana signed a MOU with iSki Train Consortium of South Africa following the completion of a visibility study. In November 2019, the parties signed a build-operate-transfer concession agreement. The company will develop the system at an estimated cost of $2.6 billion. Africa will have a SkyTrain too, and it will be in Ghana to build this elevated light rail service, a first for the continent, and the colossal project, set to cost about $2.6 billion, represents a serious commitment on the part of the government to try to relieve Accra of man-dinging traffic and choking air pollution. The Accra SkyTrain belongs to a series of projects, from roads to ports to airport terminals, that the government is pursuing to avoid the capital from becoming unlivable in the coming decades, as the country's economy and population grow at some of the fastest rates in the world. Ghana's president, Nana Akufo-Addo, proudly announced the SkyTrain project will go ahead in November during the 2019 African Investment Forum in South Africa. "It is a great day for Ghana," he was quoted as saying in a statement. The signing of the agreement is on track to improve the lives of our citizens. The SkyTrain will be financed by the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, an independent fund set up by the government and the Africa Investment SkyTrain Consortium of private companies. It will also have the support of African Development Bank, a regional multilateral development finance institution. The Ghana SkyTrain, a project that will bring Accra to the future. The SkyTrain will be a landmark project for Ghana, marking the country's first step towards sustainable mobility. Solomon Asamoah, the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund Chief Executive, said in a statement that the elevated train will be able to transport over 400,000 people every year. Its construction, meanwhile, will create about 5,000 jobs. Accra is undergoing a profound process of urban renewal, fueled in the part by demographic boom. The population of Greater Accra is expected to reach 10 million people in 2037, according to estimates, which is 6 million more than the 4 million people that lived there in 2010. The population growth is causing a considerable increase in traffic and air pollution. According to the Environmental Protection Agency of Ghana, about 3,000 people died due to the causes related to air pollution in Greater Accra in 2015, a number that could reach 4,600 in 2030 if the conditions remain unchanged. To prevent this from happening, Mayor Mohammed Adijay is committed to fighting pollution in the city and automobile congestion through a series of measures. The construction of the SkyTrain meets the need to support the city's development without running the risk that it becomes an unlivable metropolis. But the commitment to improve quality of life for the city residents is being implemented on several fronts. Water management is another central issue for Accra. The Odao River Basin is the cause of frequent floods that affect 2.5 million people and places and economic assets worth $3.2 billion at risk. The World Bank approved an allocation of $200 million to build a series of water infrastructures in the Greater Accra to prevent flooding, all for the benefit of 4.6 million people. If infrastructure projects often become the symbols of the countries that host them, the Accra SkyTrain tells the story of Ghana's desire to take flight. At the end of 2019, according to International Monetary Fund, Ghana will be the fastest growing economy in the world. Ghana's GDP grew 8.8% in 2018, up from 5.6% the previous year. The country development is being driven by agricultural production and the coffee industry, which has achieved a considerable increase in exports, and also by oil, which remains one of Ghana's greatest riches. Faced with this growth, The country's government is investing in infrastructure to support economic and social development. The transport sector is one of the most important. The government is investing in other parts of transport and logistics sector. Given its importance, it contributed 12.8% to GDP, according to Ghana's statistical service. The two main ports are still being expanded, and the government is planning road network improvement projects in addition to construction of a new terminal in Accra. Spending on development of roads and motorways increased in the 2019 budget by 142% compared to 2018. In addition to the new Ghana SkyTrain, the rail transport plans to provide for a total investment of $21 billion by 2048, which will be used to partly modernize and partly build a 4,600 kilometers network. The Accra SkyTrain project, which is fully automated, high efficiency and extremely cost-effective public mass transit system that will use air propulsion technology to drive lightweight, high passenger volume vehicles. It received a big boost on 11th of November 2019 with the signing of the concession agreement between the government of Ghana and the SkyTrain Consortium of South Africa. The signing ceremony took place in South Africa as part of the ongoing African Investment Forum's Investment in Africa Space event ongoing in Johannesburg, South Africa. Addressing attendees at the signing ceremony, President Akufo-Addo expressed great delight about the fact that the project is gradually nearing its consummation stage in order to see the light of the day. With the signing of the concession agreement, President Akufo-Addo said it is a meeting on important infrastructure need, and hopefully the step that is being taken today with the signing of the concession means that the project itself is getting nearer to conclusion. The SkyTrain systems are prefabricated using precision molded, pre-stressed reinforced concrete components that are capable of being installed at a very rapid rate, meaning that there is a minimal disruption and congestion in the urban area that is undergoing installation and commissioning. The proposed SkyTrain initiative in Accra provides for the development of 5 routes, 4 of which are comprised of radial routes that originate at the proposed SkyTrain terminal at the heart of Accra at a newly developed Kwame Nkrumah Circle, and 1 route that provides an intra-city commuter loop distribution service is also emanating from the circle. The project envisages a total track length across all routes of 194 kilometers. Hope you enjoyed this exciting video from the Greenlight YouTube channel. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the video, leave us a comment. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.